Getting some extra features on a YouTube music channel can be great, and one of those features is the membership option. What if you don't know what to offer your members? We can talk about that. Now, a quick explanation will be that the membership option is there for people to become a member. They can join your channel and have some benefits. There are many ways that you can use the YouTube join button to add some extra features to your channel, but let's just take the two main things that people, in this case musicians, use the YouTube join button for. First of all, if you want to create a member related topic. So for example, if you have members only videos that you could create, this is kind of the same thing as what you have seen on Patreon or other web pages. They have membership options, and only when people pay a small amount of money, they can access those membership options, and then they have some extra features there. Good examples could be behind the scenes, but also more detailed lessons and tutorials on certain topics. Another thing that can help is if you create short videos that are like free on YouTube, and the full 20-minute video, for example, would be the member-only video. But what if you just want to make your music videos and that's pretty much the only thing that you do? If you have a group of loyal fans, then there is a high chance that they will just want to support you, and in return they will get these funny avatars in the chat whenever they want to chat with you in a live chat. So that is pretty much like the only thing that they will be getting, but still it's like a beneficial thing for a true fan, and they can show to others that they are a true fan of you. Now, and in terms of what would be the best choice for your channel, you can kind of find that answer in the comments that you already have on your video. So it doesn't really matter how many subscribers you have or how many viewers you have. It's more important to see what the top comments are. So for example, if you get a lot of questions of people asking for a certain lesson, for a certain song that you created, then that might be an opening for a membership site with some extra videos and lessons. But if you get a lot of videos with just positive comments on them and people just being super enthusiastic about your music and finding it the best music ever and being thankful for you for creating the music, that's kind of a signal of top fans, of super fans. They follow you everywhere. They comment on every video that you create, and they comment very positively and uplifting. So whenever you find those comments, then it might simply be a good thing to have the join button there and just have the benefit of having the fun avatars whenever they chat. So those are basically the two options that you can have as a musician and artist on your YouTube channel. And I'm super curious if you have ever tried this out, or if you, whenever you have the feature on your channel, what your style would be. Would you like to create more tutorial videos on a membership site? Or would you like to add the avatars? So add that in the comments below. I'm really curious about that. So if you like this video, feel free to like it. You already know how it works. And if you want more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.